Every year, the children of Obedinen Detski Complex Blagoevgrad prepare and perform their Christmas concert. This year it was called Loved Christmas. It was held on the 14th of December at the Nicol Văpțar Theatre. The acts range from stand-up comedy and singing to Latin and national dances. The kids learn all kinds of folklore interpretations, including singing, dancing and others, and then perform on the stage. Before the show began, the youth orchestra warmed up the viewers and invited Blagoevgrad citizens to the spectacle. Entrance was free. The concert featured entire dancing acts but also had a continuous plot line. All the children were inviting and waiting for Santa Claus, who eventually arrived on the stage.
The biggest group is the Jos Folk Ensemble Pirinska Kitka. There are currently 140 boys and girls that age from 4.5 years old to 12th grade, or 18 to 19 years old.
This year's concert filled the theatre to the brim. The holiday cheer inspired Staru и Mlado.
Какво пожелаеш на всички за Коледа?
Ами, да са живи и здрави и всичко хубаво да им се случва.